ሃይ ተማሪዎች እንደምን አላችሁ? ዛሬም የዩኒቨርሲቲ ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛሞችን ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። እንደሚከተለው አቀርባለሁ። Let M be a matrix such that it is given as such forms. So, which one of the following is what? The matrix which is equal to what? 2 over 3 what? M. 2 over 3 means what? 2 over 3 is scalar multiple of what? This is M. ስለዚህ we have to multiply each element of M by what? 2 over 3 እናባዛለን ማለት ነው። ያ ማለት ማለት ነው 2 ሲባዛ ምን ይሆናል? 2 over 3 of what? This is each term. Here is 9, 24, here is 6, here is negative 12, here is 18, here is 15, here is 0, here is 27, and what? That is 3. Multiply each of them. ስለዚህ 2 ሲባዛ 18 ይሆናል። 18 ሲካፈል ለ3 that is 6 ይሆናል። ስለዚህ 6 ይሆናል የመጀመሪያው ተርም ማለት 2 ሲባዛ 24 that is 48 ስለሚሆን 48 ሲካፈል ለ3 16 ስለዚህ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Similarly 2 times 6 is what? That is 12. 12 divided by 3 that is 4. ስለዚህ የመጀመሪያው ይሄኛው ይሆናል ማለት ሁሉንም ያሟላል ማለት ነው። We come to the second one. 2 over 3 times negative 12 is what? This is negative 24 ይሆናል. 24 divided by 3 negative 8. 2 times what? 18 is what? That is 36. 36 divided by 3 that is 12. Then 2 times 15 is what? That is 30 divided by 3 then it is also correct. When come to last one, 2 times 3 times 0 that is what? 2 over 3 times 0 that is 0. 2 ሲባዛ 27 54 ይሆናል። ሲካፈል ለ3 18 ይሆናል። 2 ሲባዛ 3 6 6 ሲካፈል ለ3 2 ይሆናል። So this is the correct answer. Correct answer is what? That is C ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ምንም የሚሰራ ነገር የለውም። How to get this one? Multiply each element of this matrix M by 2 over 3. 2 over 3 scalar ስለሆነ multiply and get the value as such. The other one, which of the following number is determinant is a determinant of the matrix given? Determinant ማለት how to find what? Determinant of given matrix M as forms. This is dth of A. Which is equal to what? Which is equal to 1, here is 2, here is 3, here is 4, yes, 5, 6. The other ones was 7, 8, and what? 10. You can take here is plus, minus, plus. This is column wise, or you may take what? Row wise. Here is minus, here is plus. You get the same result. Is that so? We can delete the first row in first column, then we get what? Determinant submatrix, which is equal to 5, 6, 8, and 10. Minus of what? Twice of, delete the second column with first row, what means here is 4, 6, 7, and what? That is 10. Last one, plus what? 3 times the determinant submatrix. Delete the last column in the first row. What? Wow, here is 4, 5, 7, and 8 is here. So, what the value for this one? Which is equal to 5 times 10 is what? 50. 50 times, this is 50. Minus 8 times 6, that is 48. Minus twice of 4 times 10 is what? That is 40. 40 minus 7 times 6, that is 42. Here. Plus 3 times of this one. 4 times 8 is what? That is 32. 32 minus 7 times 5, that is 35. Here. Finally, what for? This is 50 minus 48 what? That is 2. 40 minus 42, negative 2. Negative times negative 2, that is what? That is 4. Here is 32 minus 35 is what? Negative 3. Negative 3 times 3. Here is negative 9. What for? Here is 6 minus what? 9. But the value which is equal to negative 3. The determinant of this matrix is what? Negative 3. So the choice is what? The correct answer. ስለዚህ በዚህ አይነት መንገድ ማግኘት እንችላለን። row wise ብንሰራ we get the same result. The other one, which one of the following defines exponential function? Exponential function is defined as what? B the power of what? X. We said this one. With B is greater than 0 as well as B must be what? Different from 0. This is definition of what? Exponential function with what? With domain is what? The state of real number. How can you justify this one? If we consider some function. Here what? Let's say here is f of x, for instance, which is equal to 3 the power of x, and let's take g of x is equal to 1 over 3 the power of x. When x is 0 for the first one, if x is 0, the value of y is what? That is 1. When x is 1, it becomes what? 3. And if x is 2, it is 9. If you take negative of that one, it is what? Reduced approach to 0. This is the value of what? The function, the graph of function f of x is equal to 3 to the power of what? X. Here we have. Similarly, when you consider this is g of x, when x is 0, the value of what? Y is, that is, the value of y, that is 1. When x is 1, it is 1 over 3. When x is 2, it is 1 over 9. It is reduced when x increases. ነገር ግን x እየቀነሰ ሲመጣ ኔጌቲቭ በሆነ ቁጥር ምን ሆነ? እየጨመረ ይመጣል ማለት ነው። So the graph of this looks like what? This one. This is equal to what? G of x is equal to 1 over 3 the power of what? X. So when over this one, the domain is what? The set of real number. The range is what? Its value greater than what? Greater than 0 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So the correct answer for this one is what? R to positive infinity, which is to find us f of x is the power of x where b greater than 0, b different from 1. The correct answer here is A. In case of C, it says what? This is power function, not exponential function. In case of exponential function, the base must be a constant number. In case this one is what? Variable, and b is the power. So we call this is power function. It is not exponential function. So the correct answer is that is A. If it says that if 108 individuals can complete a job what? 15 days and by working what? 10 hours. And how many individuals are needed to complete the same job, that is job in 10 days, if they are working what? 12 hours. ስለዚህ ምን እንፈልጋለን ማለት ነው? የነዚህ 180 የሆኑ ሰዎች ምን አድርገዋል ማለት ነው? ለ15 ቀን በ10 ሰዓት ሰርተዋል። ስለዚህ ምን እንፈልጋለን ማለት ነው? ቶታል ማን ወርክ ነው። ኢንዲቪጁዋል ወርኪንግ አወር እንፈልጋለን ማለት ነው። ቶታል ወርኪንግ አወርስ እንፈልጋለን ማለት ነው። of the first one, let's say this is M1 ብንለው, which is equals what? Working individuals, let's say 1 times what? Day 1, the day we have, times what? Hours per day ይሆናል ማለት, which is equal to what? M that is what? 180 ናቸው ሲባዛ 15 ይሆናል ሲባዛ ባዛት 10 ይሆናል ማለት ይሆናል። ስለዚህ the same job ስለሆነ ሌሎቹ የሰሩት ስንት ኢንዲቪጁዋል ያስፈልጋል ነው። ስለዚህ let's say this is M2. Similarly, M2 is equals what? This is working individual, for instance W2, that means they use, that is 10 days times what? H of 2, that means what? 12 hours per day, which is equal to what? The same as what? M1. They complete what? Total number of what? Working hours they have here, which is equal to that means day 2 is what? That means 10 days each, that means 12 hours per day times what? This is working individuals, let's say W2 is equals what? That is 180 times 15 times what? That is 10 here 1. We cancel here 0 with 0, 10 by 10, this is by 12, here 1, 4, this is by 3, 4 by 3, this one is what? 5. Again this one by 2, here is 2, this is by 2 by 12, this is 90. Again this is by 2 1, this is by 2 by 12, which is equal to 45. So this is working individual for the second time, which is equal to what? 45 times what? This is 5 the other day, which is equal to what? 5 times 5, that is 25. We have 2. 5 times 4, that is what? 20. Then we have 2, that means it becomes 22. So 225 individuals are needed to complete the same job. ስለዚህ ይሄ በዚህ አይነት መንገድ 225 ሰው ወይም ኢንዲቪጁዋል ያስፈልጋል ማለት ነው to complete the same job ለማድረግ ማለት ነው። or if you want, this is total working hour for the first one, M1 is equals, as we did before, here is 180 times what? This is 15 times what? That is 10. Take the product of them, which is equal 5 times what? This is 1800 times what? This is 15. You can't take it. This is 5 times 4 is what? That is 40. You have 0 and 4. Here is 0 and 4. 5 times 1, that is 5. You have 4, that is what? 9. 1 times 8, that is 8. 1 times 1, which is what? Take their sum. Here is 0. 9 plus 8, that is 17. Or 1, 2, 270. That means we had what? 2 zeros. ስለዚህ ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? የነዚህ ጠቅላላ 27000 ቶታል ወርኪንግ አወር ነው ማለት ነው። ይሄ ከሆነ ሁለተኛው ምን መሆን አለበት ማለት ነው? 27000 መሆን አለበት ማለት ነው። that means m2 also this is m2 also the same as that one. So this is 10 working days times 12 hours times what? This is working individual. Let's say w2 must be what? 27000 መሆን አለበት ማለት ነው። ይሄንን እንሰራለን እንኳን አርቀን ማለት ነው። ይሩሃ So this means what? Here is 10 times 12 times what? This is working total working hour for the second. This is 27,000. We cancel this 0 by 0. This is by 3 what? This is 4. This is by 3 what? This is 9. So it becomes what? 900. This means 4 times working individual for the second one. This is 900. This is by 2. By that, this is 2. By 2, this one is what? 45, 450. This is by 2, 1. This is by what? Which is equal to 2. That is 4. 5 divided by 2. That is 2. 10 divided by 2. That is 5. So 225 working individuals are what? Needed for the second time. Second case. As regards to meta, let f be a function whose graph is given below. That means it is given as such forms. So which one of the following equals what? F of x net. So it is open downward ነው። open downward ከሆነ ደግሞ leading coefficient ምን ሆነ አለበት? ኔጌቲቭ መሆን አለበት ማለት ነው። እዚህም ጋር ኔጌቲቭ ነው፣ ይሄም ኔጌቲቭ ነው፣ ይሄም ኔጌቲቭ ነው። ከሶስት አንዱ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ነገር ግን እዚህ ጋር vertex ስናይ ተርን ያደረገው turning point ወይም ደግሞ the vertex open downward ሆነበት ምንድነው? that is what 2 and 0 ነው። 2 and 0 means ምን ማለት ነው? negative of what? x minus 2 the whole square ማለት ነው። when make it perfect which one is the correct from the given choice? ስለዚህ የሚይዘው የትኛው ነው ስንል which is equal to what? ምን ይሆናል? which is equal to negative of what? x square s minus minus of what? That is 4x minus 4x s plus what? That is 4 መሆን አለበት ማለት ነው። ነገር ግን እዚህ ጋር ያለው ኔጌቲቭ 8 ላይ the y intercept is what? when x 0 ኔጌቲቭ 8 ስለሆነ ኔጌቲቭ 8 የሚሆነው መቼ ነው? በኔጌቲቭ 2 መባዛት አለበት ማለት ነው። which is equal to negative of 2 into x square minus 4x plus what? That is 4 መሆን አለበት ማለት ነው። when multiply this one it becomes what? negative x square here is plus 8x here is minus what? 8 ይሆናል። ይሄንን ፎርም ያዘውን እንፈልጋለን። which one is the correct answer from the given alternate? That is choice B is the correct answer ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ወይም እነዚህን ፋክተራይዝ ኮምፕሊቲንግ ፋክተር እያደረግን ይህንን አይነት ፎርም ወይም ደግሞ ቨርቲክሱ 2 እና 0 የሚሆንበትን መፈለግ እንችላለን ማለት ነው። መፈለግ እንችላለን። let us consider all these things። ይሄኛውን በዛ አይነት መንገድ ማየት ትችላላችሁ። ለምሳሌ የመጀመሪያውን ስንወስድ ምን ይሆናል? negative 2x square plus what? This is 8x plus 8 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ፐርፌክት ለማድረግ we take what? negative 2 common. negative 2 into what remains? Here is x square minus what? Here is 4x minus here is what? 4 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። but what? Which is equal to negative 2 into x square minus 4x half of this is negative 4 is what? 2 ስለሚሆን negative 2 square that is 4 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። this is minus 4 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። which is equal to negative 2 into የኛው ፐርፌክት ስለሚሆን this is what? x minus that is 2 the whole square ይሆንና negative 4 times negative 4 is what? no sorry negative 4 minus negative 4 negative 8 ይሆናል። negative 8 times negative 2 ምን ይሆናል? that is 16 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ቨርቴክሱ አሁን 2 እና 16 ይሆናል። 2 እና 16 ነው አይደለም። ስለዚህ ይሄ መሆን አይችልም ማለት ነው። when come to the second one ሁለተኛው ኬስ ስናይ ምን ይሆናል? the second b ስናይ ምን ይሆናል? negative 2 is common you have what x square minus 4x plus what it is 4 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። negative 2 የጋራ ስንል የማል negative 2 into x square half of negative 4 ስንወስ negative 2 ስለሚሆን minus 4x yes plus 4 ይሆናል። here is what minus 4 plus 4 the same value ወስዳለሁ። እዚህ ጋር ስንመጣ it is perfect ይሆናል። this means what negative 2 into x minus 2 the whole square ይሆናል። negative 4 plus 4 is what 0 ስለሚሆን 0 times negative 2 0 ይሆናል። እዚህ ጋር ስንመጣ ምን ይሆናል? vertex 2 እና 0 ይሆናል ማለት 2 እና 0 የሚያሟላ ይሄ ይሆናል። yes it is correct ይሆናል ማለት ነው። let's come to the case of c. similarly sin check ስናደርግ ምን ይሆናል? 2 into x square minus what here is 4x plus what 4 ይሆናል። ነገር ግን ይሄኛው ኮኤፊሺየንቱ ሊዲንግ ኮኤፊሺየንቱ ፖዚቲቭ ስለሆነ we may not consider this one ይሄን ኮንሲደር ማድረግ አይጠበቅብንም። ግን vertex እንዴት እናገኛለን የሚለውን ለማሳየት ግን you may use it this one for the case of what third that is c. this is 2 into x square minus here is 4x plus 4 let's say minus 4 plus what that is 4 ይሆናል። ይሄኛው ፐርፌክት ይሆናል። this is what 2 into x minus 2 the whole square ይሆንና negative 4 plus 4 0 ስለሚሆን still vertex ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? the vertex is what 2 0 ነው። ግን it opens upward ለምን? leading coefficient positive ስለሆነ open upward ነው እንጂ down ስለማይሆን ምን ነው take this one ይሄ ሊሆን አይችልም ማለት last one የመጨረሻው ኦፕሽን ስኔ ምን ይሆናል? last one is what take negative 2 common negative 2 into x square yes minus what 2x that is plus what plus 4 ይሆናል ማለት የጋራ ስሌት but for this is negative 2 into x square minus 2x plus what coefficient negative 2 half of that is 1 ስለሚሆን 1 ይሆናል minus 1 plus what that is 4 ይሆናል ማለት this is what negative 2 into x minus 1 the whole square ይሆናል። ይሄኛው ሶስቱን ተርም ስንል negative 1 plus 4 ደግሞ 3 ስለሚሆን 3 times negative 2 negative 6 ይሆናል። እዚህ ጋር vertexን ስንመጣ ምን ይሆናል? this is 1 እና negative 6 ይሆናል ማለት ግን እዚህ ጋር ያለ ምንድነው 2 0 ስለሆነ it is not equivalent with our graph ግራፋችን ጋር አይሆንም። ስለዚህ ይሄ መልስ አይሆንም፣ ይሄ መልስ አይሆንም፣ ይሄ መልስ አይሆንም። the choice is what b the correct answer ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ተሰራ ነው ይሄ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እያንዳንዱን የሚያሳየውበት ምክንያት ምንድነው? እንዴት አድርጋችሁ vertexን ማግኘት እንደምትችሉና ግራፉ ምን እንደሚመስል ተርኒንግ ፖይንቱ እንዴት ማግኘት እንዳለባችሁ ተርኒንግ ፖይንቱን ካገኛችሁ በኋላ የግራፉ ቢሄቪየር ምን ይመስላል is it opens downward or upward የሚለውን ጀስቲፋይ ለማድረግ ያገለግላችኋል ብዬ ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በዚህ መሰረት ሌሎች ጥያቄዎች ካማክሮስ ቢያጋጥሟችሁ መስራት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ዛዘሩ which one the following is a graph of quadratic equation ነው የተሰጠን function x square plus bx plus c ነው quadratic ነው which one of the following is what the solution set of the inequality f of x less than or equal to 0 ነው የሚለው f of x ማለት የy ቫልዩ ነው። ስለዚህ የy ቫልዩ less than or equal 0 የሚሆነው መቼ ነው ማለት ምን መሆን አለበት ማለት y is equal 0 or ምን መሆን አለበት y is negative መሆን አለበት ማለት ስለዚህ y ቫልዩ ኔጌቲቭ የሚሆነው መቼ ነው? ቢለው x አክሲስ ሲሆን ከx አክሲስ ቢለው ሲሆንና 0 የሚሆነው ደግሞ x አክሲስ ላይ ነው ማለት ነው። this is y ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ግራፉን ኦብዘርቭ ስናደርግ at the left of 2 ምን ሆኗል? ቢለው x አክሲስ ነው። ከዚህ በታች ምን ያለው ምንድነው? ቢለው x አክሲስ ነው። ሶ at 2 ላይ 0 ይሆናል። ከዛ በኋላ ኔጌቲቭ ሆኗል ማለት እዚህ ጋር ስንመጣ 6 ላይ 0 ይሆናል። ከ6 በኋላ ምንድነው? ኔጌቲቭ ነው ግራፉ የሚያሳየው። ስለዚህ this function is less than or equal 0 where is that this is x says that x is less than or equal to or what x is greater or equal 6 ግራፉን ስናይ በእነዚህ መካከል ወይም በዚህ ኬዝ ነው ማለት ነው less than or equal ነው። ለምን ኦርደር ስናደርግ this is negative as well as this one so negative ነው ማለት ነው። በተመሳሳይ መልኩ ለምሳሌ f of x is what greater or equal ብንባል f of x is greater or equal 0 ማለት ደግሞ ማለት ነው 0 የሚሆንበትና greater ማለት ማለት ነው ፖዚቲቭ የሚሆነው ፖዚቲቭ ማለት y value ፖዚቲቭ የሚሆነው መቼ ነው above x axis ሲሆን ስለዚህ ይሄ ሪጅን ማለት ነው this region ይሄ የሚሆነው መቼ ነው this is true when what 2 is less than or equal x less than equal 6 ሲሆን በእነዚህ መካከል ግራፋችን ይሆናል 0 ይሆናል መቼ 2 እና 6 ላይ 0 ነው የሚሆነው then in between ይሆናል above x axis ነው that is positive እንላለን ማለት at the same time roots of what roots of f of x ብንባል ወይም root ማለት ነው zeros of what f of x ብንባል ምን ይሆናል f of x 0 የሚያደርጉት ማለት 0 የሚያደርጉት እነማን ናቸው zeros of this are what x is equals to or what x is equals what 6 2 እና 6 ምን ይሆናሉ ማለት ነው ቫልዩአችንን 0 ያደርጉታል ማለት ስለዚህ የተጠየቅነውን የሚበልጠው greater or equal 0 የሚሆንበት less than or equal 0 የሚሆንበት less than 0 የሚሆነው greater than 0 የሚሆነው የትኛው ኬዝ ነው ብንባል ማግኘት እንችላለን ማለት ስለዚህ ለምሳሌ ይሄኛው less than 0 ብንባል ኔጌቲቭ ብቻ የሚሆኑበት እንወስዳለን x less than 2 እና or what x greater than 6 የሚለው ይሆናል ማለት ነው not this one and common ሊሆናቸው ስለማይችል that means what it is 0 if this is or ብለን መጠቀም እንችላለን ማለት x less than or equal to እና and sorry x less than or equal to እና x greater or equal to 6 ይሆናል the other one we consider that which one of the following is the sum of the series ይላል እዚህ ጋር ይሄን ሲሪስ እና the first term is what 5 ነው the second term ስንመጣ negative 10 over 3 ነው ስለዚህ ለ5 እናካፍልና negative over 3 ይሆናል እዚህም ጋር 20 ሲካፈል 20 over 9ኛ ሲካፈል negative 10 over 3 ስንመጣ negative over 3 ይሆናል ስለዚህ this becomes what geometric series ነው infinite series ነው geometric with infinite series ነው so the first term is what a1 ይሆናል that is 5 ነው and their common ratio is what that is negative 2 over 3 ይሆናል ማለት ስለዚህ we say that the infinite series is what it is convergent if and only if the common ratio r is what less than 1 ከሆነ ምን ይሆናል ብለናል it the series converges ብለናል converges ብለናል let's take the common ratio that is negative 2 over 3 which is equals what 2 over 3 absolute value that is less than what it is 1 this implies this series is what convergent if the series converges if the series converges ምን ብለናል converge ካደረገ ደግሞ sum of the series is equals what a1 divided by what 1 minus r ይሆናል ማለት what is a1 that is 5 divided by 1 minus r is what negative 2 over 3 ይሆናል ማለት which is equal to 5 divided by what this is 5 divided by 1 plus what 1 plus 2 over 5 ነው sorry 2 over 3 ይሆናል ስለዚህ LCM ስንወስድ 3 ስለሚሆን 1 times 3 that 3 plus 2 that is 5 ይሆናል ማለት this is 5 over what 5 over 3 ይሆናል ማለት when you cancel this 5 by 5 what remains the value that is 3 is what the sum of the infinite series you have so the choice B is the correct answer ምንም እንሰራው ነገር የለም ተርሙን እናያለን whether it is geometric or not የሚለውን geometric series ከሆነ the common ratio ማግኘት እንችላለን common ratio ስንፈልግ absolute value of that common ratio ከ1 ካነሰ ያ ማለት infinite series converge ያደርጋል ማለት the series converge ካደረገ ደግሞ the sum becomes what the first term divided by 1 minus what the its common ratio ይሆናል በዚህ መሰረት get 3 አገኘን ማለት ነው What the next one? It says that n is equals n plus cos n pi, then n 1, 2, 3, and n is term of the sequence. Then which one the following true የሆነ የትኛው ነው የተባለው? ስለዚህ a1 ስንፈልግ what is a1? a1 ማለት 1 plus that is cos of what pi ይሆናል። cos pi 1 negative 1 ስለሚሆን 1 minus 1 is equal 0 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። What about a2? a2 ስንመጣ this is 2 plus 1 cos of what? cos of 2 pi ይሆናል ማለት cos pi 2 pi ማለት ደግሞ ከcos 0 ጋር ኢኳል ስለሆነ 2 plus 1 is equal to what that is 3 ይሆናል ማለት what is a3 a3 ስንመጣ that means what 3 plus what cos of what cos of 3 pi ይሆናል cos 3 pi ደግሞ ኔጌቲቭ ስለሚሆን ይሆናል 3 minus 1 which is equal to what 2 ይሆናል ማለት what about a4 ስንመጣ ተመሳሳይ መንገድ that is 4 plus what this is cos of what cos of 4 pi ይሆናል cos 4 pi እና 2 pi 0 ተመሳሳይ ስለሚሆኑ ምን ይሆናል this is 4 plus 1 ይሆናል which is equal to what 5 ይሆናል ማለት similarly what about a of 5 a5 ስንመጣ that means 5 plus what cos of 5 pi ስለሚሆን ይሄ cos of 5 pi ማለት negative 1 ስለሚሆን this is 5 minus 1 which is equals 4 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ምን ይያልን መጣው 0 2 4 ሆኗል። ኦድ ሲሆን ኢቭን ሲሆን ደግሞ 3 5 ይያለ ይመጣል ማለት ነው። ይሄ ማለት ስለዚህ a6 ምን ይሆናል ማለት a6 is what that is 7 እንደሚሆን እርግጠኞች ነን ማለት ያ ማለት 6 ማለት this is 6 plus cos of what 6 pi ስለሚሆን 6 pi ማለት 1 ስለሆነ this is 6 plus 1 is equals to 7 ይሆናል። similarly a7 ስንመጣ 8 እንደሚሆን እርግጠኞች መሆን አለብን ማለት ነው። this is what 6 እንደሚሆን this is 7 plus what cos of what this is 7 pi ይሆናል። cos 7 pi ማለት -1 ስለሚሆን 7 minus 1 is equal to what ምን ይሆናል 6 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። similarly you can find what the remaining one. so what is a8 ምን ይሆናል a8 ደግሞ ምን መሆን ይችላል ማለት ነው እዚህ 7 ነው ስለዚህ 9 next odd 9 ይሆናል ማለት that means here is 8 plus cos of what 8 pi cos 8 pi ከcos 0 ጋር እኩል ስለሚሆን 8 ሲደመር 1 ምን ይሆናል which is equal to 9 ይሆናል። then 9th term በተመሳሳይ እንፈልግ a of 9th term ምን ይሆናል 7th term 6 ስለሆነ 9th term 8 እንደሚሆን እርግጠኞች ነን። ለምን which is equal to what 9 plus what cos of what 9 pi ሪፒት ያደርጋል ማለት ነው ሲኩዌንሱ እንማ 0 2 4 6 እያለ ኢቭን ነምበሮችን መጣ 3 5 7 እያለ ደግሞ 9 እያለ ይመጣል ማለት ኢቭን ሲሆን ስለዚህ በሲኩዌንሱ ብቻ መስራት እንችላለን ወይም ደግሞ በዚህም አይነት መምጣት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ጊዜ ሴም ሪዛልት ስለዚህ cos of 9 pi -1 ስለሆነ 9 minus 1 which is equal to what 8 ይሆናል ማለት እስከዚህ ድረስ ስለሆነ ያለው the fifth term is what it says what 6 ይላል ስለዚህ fifth term እዚህ ጋር ስንት ነው 4 ነው ስለዚህ fifth አይደለም this is not the correct answer አይሆንም ማለት a7 plus a8 ማለት a7 ምንድነው ብለን a7 is what that is 6 ነው ብለን a8 is what that is 9 ነው ስለዚህ 6 plus 9 is what that is 15 this is correct okay correct ይሆናል ማለት the 10th term is what 10th term ማለት a8 ምንድነው ብለን 9 ነው ስለዚህ the 10th term ይሆናል 10ኛው term የሚሆነው 10 ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ስለዚህ 9 ይላል this is not correct ይሄም correct አይደለም ማለት the other one a7 minus a6 ማለት a7 ስንት አግኝተን 6 አግኝተን ማን a6 ደግሞ 7 አግኝተን ስለዚህ 6 minus 7 is what -1 ነው እንጂ 1 መሆን ስለማይችል it is not the answer እንላለን ማለት ስለዚህ መልስ መሆን አይችልም the correct answer is b ወይም እዚህ ጋር ሲኩዌንሱን ማየት ትችላላችሁ እዚህ ጋር ከአምስተኛው ከደረስን በኋላ መጨረስ እንችላለን ለምን a1 0 ስለሆነ a2 3 ስላለ a3 2 ስለሆነ a4 ደግሞ 5 ሆነ ስለዚህ ኢቭን ሲሆን ምን ሆነ 3 5 እያለ ኦድ ነምበሮችን ያካትታል እዚህኛው ጋር ደግሞ 0 to 4 እያለ ኢቭኖችን ያካትታል ማለት ነው ስለዚህ በዚህ መሰረት ኢቭን ሲሆን ምን ይሆናል ኦድ ሲሆን ምን ይሆናል የሚለው ማወቅ ስለቻል ዳይሬክትሊ መስራት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። The other one what is the focus of the parabola y squared this one ስለዚህ equation of parabola የተሰጠውና we can express this is plus what 4y is equal to -8x plus what that is 4 ብለን መጻፍ እንችላለን ይሄ ማለት ይሄንን ፐርፌክት ስናደርገው ኮምፕሊት ስናደርግ using completing square 4y plus what half of this 4 is what 2 ስለሆነ plus 4 minus 4 is equal to -8x plus what's that 4 ይሆናል ማለት ይሄኛው ፐርፌክት ስለሚሆን what y plus 2 the whole square is equal to what this is equal to -8x plus 4 plus 4 that is 8 ይሆናል ማለት what here is y plus 2 the whole square is equal to take -8 common -8 into x minus 1 ይሆናል ማለት ስለዚህ this the coefficient of this one is what 4p is equal to -8 ስለሚሆን but the value of p is equal to -2 ይሆናል ይሄ ማለት ነው the graph is what open to the left yes to the left ነው ማለት ነው if that's so ይሄ ከሆነ ፎከሱ ምን ይሆናል ማለት the focus is equal to the center what the center for this one the center is -1 inch -2 ይሆናል ስለዚህ ፎከሱ ቼንጅ የሚያደርገው the x axis ስለሆነ transverse axis is y axis ስለሆነ which is equal to not this center sorry the center is what this is 1 -2 ስለሆነ the focus lies what the focus for this is what is equal to 1 plus p and what is theta still, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 1 minus 2, this is negative 2. What is that? Which is equals 1 minus 2 is what? That is negative 1, then negative 2. This is the focus of our parabola. Which one the correct answer? The correct answer is B. ይሆናል ማለት ነው። በተመሳሳይ ሌሎችን ጥያቄዎች ይዤላችሁ እመጣለሁ። እስከምንገናኝ መልካም ጊዜ እያልኩኝ ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ፣ ሼር እና ላይክ ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ። አመሰግናለሁ።